Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out.
Alright. Let's get this week's channel shout out of the way. We'll pre-mix. Let's see who we get. Now that one didn't fly out and land on the thing, but I'm still gonna call it. So I haven't seen a video from him in a long time though. I'm not sure he's still making videos, so I don't know what the deal is. So we're gonna do a redraw. I hate to do that, but I mean, it's not that his content isn't good. I'm gonna link him below anyway, just if you want to check out his older stuff. It's Lee Ralph. I'm gonna draw a number. So this will be a double shout out only because, oh cool, it's a Shovelhead8, who I actually link in my Cast Iron Wednesdays every week, but I will still link him in anyway because he's a good dude who makes great videos. So, and I don't have a sticker for him either. So, too bad. If you check the description, I'll put Lee Ralph's channel down below as well, but he hasn't put up a video in quite a while, so I'm hoping I hope you're still watching, brother. And of course, Shovelhead8 will be down there as well. And I don't have a sticker for him. Do you have a sticker? I don't think he even has a sticker. But anyway, yeah.
Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video's usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.